How to pin multiple locations on Google Map. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. This is super handful if you're planning a trip, mapping out several spots, or just organizing your travels. So let's dive right in. Alright, let's get started with pinning multiple locations. Just open the Google Maps on your smartphone. Just search for the location you want to pin. It could be a restaurant, landmark, or any place you're interested in. Once you tapped on the location, what you need to do is simply tap on directions. Simply tap on it. From there, in the third site, you can see an option that says pin. Simply tap on it. Now you can do this for another location as well. Simply go back and search for the next place and repeat the same process. Do the same step, directions and pin. Now you can simply tap on show and you can see here all the pins that you have made. And that's how easy it is to pin multiple spots on Google Maps. You can organize them by list like vacation spots, restaurants to try, or anything that helps you stay organized.